This video is for the students. They will come to know that how they are supposed to send their test through Google Classroom. Here, one of my colleagues has added me as student in a class and has assigned a test to me. Today I will show how I will submit my answer sheet. So in 7th A class, I have been added as student and a maths test has been assigned to me. So I will go upon this 7th A class and then move on to classwork since it has been assigned to me only, and click on maths test. So before I click on maths test, you can see it has been written on that maths test due today 23:59. That means till 11:59 at night I can submit my test. But since we normally make question papers with time limit, we also assign the due time also over there, and we have to adhere to that time and we have to submit our answer sheet before that time. So we will move on to the maths test, and now it says it is due today maths test 100 points, add class comment and please attach PDF file. So I will open the attachment and see the question paper that she has given it to me. I can also print the question paper and then start attempting it there in my answer notebook, or I can clearly see the questions from there on the mobile screen and can start doing the paper. So I have seen both the questions and now I have done them also. So I'll move upon your work and I will see there are two headings, add attachment, and you will click upon add attachment plus sign. You can add the attachment from anywhere you want to. See, that is from your drive, your file. You can take a photo, record video, or you can create new docs, new slides, new sheets, new PDF, and you can write your answers there and then and submit also. But in normally in maths we have long questions in 9th and 10th. And maths typing is also difficult for some students. So the students, they generally write the answers on the sheets and then they take a photo of it and they make a PDF and send it to us. So in case if your teacher allows you to send the answer sheet in image format, you can click upon take photo, you can take an image and then you can send it. But since my teacher here has sent me to give the answer in PDF form, so I will make the attachment here as PDF form. So I have shown you one way, that is you will click upon add attachment and you can add it from file, link, drive. I will show you the other way in which I have prepared the PDF of the answers that I have written, and I will be attaching it here. I have done so with a scanner. So I will move upon to the scanner and I have written my answers. Then after writing my answers, I clicked my answer sheet and then I have converted my answer sheet into PDF using this scanner. So my answer sheet is ready, and once my answer sheet is ready, I have renamed the document also as 7th A Taru Answer Sheet Test 1, so that it becomes clear also for the teacher. If you don't want to rename, you can also submit it like that, because it will be like your attachment there from your mail ID, and also you can see your name will be visible to the teacher when she will open the attachment that you have sent. Otherwise also it is always preferable to write your name, class section and roll number also at the top. And then once the PDF file is ready, I will click upon share, and when I click upon share, I have options. I will go to classroom and it is shared to classroom. It's open in 7th A since I was working on that. So it is says attach to assignment. So I will click upon attach to assignments. Then they are asking where do I want to attach, in maths test, in brain teasers, or in profit and loss. So these were maybe some of the assignments that were given by the teacher, but I can see maths test due today. I will click upon there and now my attachment will be attached there as the answer sheet, and I will just move upon this arrow at the bottom. I will click it here and I will see your work assigned, my PDF is attached, and now I have to hand in. Hand in means that I am submitting it to my teacher. And if by mistake I have added wrong PDF, there is a cross sign at the right corner. You can cross it and you can again attach the file that you are supposed to send. So the attachment is there, and then I will just press upon this hand in, and one attachment will be submitted for maths test. So I will say hand in. That means now this attachment will be handed over to my teacher. So I have handed over my work to the teacher, and this assignment is done, and now the teacher can see it there in her Google Classroom, where she will get my answers and she can easily check and assign points to me. I hope this will be very helpful for the students. I will again show it to you. You will move upon your work, then you will attach the file there and you will submit. Hand in means you are submitting.